Which component in plants facilitates the upward movement of water molecules due to surface tension? Entomophily refers to pollination by insects, and honey bees are the most significant pollinators in this category due to their nectar-gathering behavior. They facilitate the transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma while visiting flowers. What does the term waterborne diseases imply about their transmission? Waterborne diseases are caused by pathogenic microorganisms, such as bacteria and viruses, that are directly transmitted when contaminated water is consumed. Common examples include cholera and typhoid, which often spread due to poor sanitation and lack of clean water. Why do ice cubes float on water at room temperature? Water is denser than ice because when water freezes, its molecules form a crystalline lattice that occupies more volume, resulting in lower density. According to Archimedes' principle, an object floats if it is less dense than the liquid it is placed in. What is the state of water vapor? Water vapor is the gaseous phase of water that exists when liquid water evaporates or ice sublimes. It is an invisible gas that contributes to atmospheric humidity and plays a vital role in the hydrological cycle. What happens to chlorine gas when it dissolves in water? When chlorine gas dissolves in water, it undergoes a chemical reaction to produce hydrochloric acid, HCl, and hypochlorous acid, HOCl. This reaction is the basis for using chlorine as a powerful disinfectant in water treatment and swimming pools. Chlorine does not react with sunlight to produce hydrogen. Instead, sunlight causes the decomposition of chlorine water to release oxygen. Dissolving a gas in water creates an aqueous solution, which is the opposite of a perfectly dry state. While oxygen can be released as a secondary byproduct in sunlight, the primary immediate product of dissolution is the formation of acids. What concept explains why the flask filled with water is heavier than the one filled with kerosene, given identical volumes? Mass per unit volume is the definition of density, and water has a higher density than kerosene. Therefore, for an identical volume, the substance with the higher density will have a greater mass and weight. If the solubility of NaCl in water is 36 G at 25 degrees Celsius, what does this indicate? Solubility is defined as the maximum amount of solute in grams that can be dissolved in 100 G of solvent at a specific temperature. At 25 degrees Celsius, 36 G of NaCl creates a saturated solution where no more salt can dissolve in that specific volume of water. What is the process called when water turns into ice? Freezing is the phase transition in which a liquid turns into a solid when its temperature is lowered below its freezing point. For pure water at standard atmospheric pressure, this transition occurs at 0 degrees Celsius. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Goshen for more.